Hi there, have you seen this channel Cocomelon? This channel is one of the most viewed channels across the entire world. This channel is basically for kids and it creates entertaining kids video, and it takes a lot to create this. But in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own videos like this using AI. So I'm going to show you how to create your own music. You are going to create your own music and then also generate your own videos using simple AI tools. Remember, everything is going to be step by step from the idea generation to creating the videos itself. If you go to Social Blade, you can see this channel. Social Blade, this channel is the third subscribed channel across the entire world. So you can see here they get close to over 2 billion views every month, and they are making a lot of money. If you check over here, this channel is getting a lot of views and getting a lot of views every month. And I'm going to show you how you can create this. You can see here I've already tested this tool and then test some of these animated kids videos using this tool. You don't need to employ any specialist or get an entire team. You can basically do this on your own with the AI tool. For the music, we're going to use Suno AI, and I'll show you how you can generate your own music using the same tool. Everything is going to be step by step. Remember to subscribe if today is your first time so you don't miss any of my videos. Remember to turn on post notification as well. So you create your videos. We're also going to start with the idea. So for the idea generation, you don't need to be an expert or storyteller in order to start creating this. We can actually do this using ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you everything step by step, everything you need in order to create this video. I'm going to show you how to do this. And then before we start, just watch this video I created using this AI tool. Well, is that not amazing? Let's start and create our own video. Let's jump right into this. So I'm going to leave this simple steps at the description of the video. This is basically what we're going to follow in order to create our own video. So the first thing we're going to do is that I'm going to copy this prompt. So I'm going to paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me an idea for an animated song video for kids. So this first step, so let's go ahead. So ChatGPT actually went ahead and then gave us some song idea, the animal alphabet adventure. So it's going to give us some concept and there's some storyline, the outline, and then give us some verses of that. But we actually want to get this into detail. So basically what we want to do next is that we're going to use the second step. So we're going to copy this. So this is going to be at the description of the video. So I'll paste this next prompt here. So write me the scripts and lyrics for. So basically we're going to copy the title here, the title we are using. Copy this title and paste it right here. So basically write me the script and lyrics for the animal alphabet adventure. So I'll go ahead and click on this. It is ready, and you can see with this script we're actually going to have our song. So the song has already been generated. We have the script which we're going to be using an AI tool called Suno AI to actually generate our song. So don't worry, we'll get there. But the next thing is that we need to actually generate the prompt for our videos. You can see we have the lyrics over here. So we need to now generate the images. So what I want to do is that I'll go back to here and I'm going to use the last step. So copy the last step. And then for the last step, I'm going to paste this right here. So I say write the video prompt for each scene and always include the full setting and each prompt because the video generator can forget about the setting. So let's go ahead and do this. So as you can see, we now have the prompt. So this is the opening scene. So for the opening scene, we're going to have some few information here, and then the first verse here, that is A to D, we're going to have this prompt which we're going to use to generate our video. Then we go ahead and then we have the next one, that's the chorus. Also we're going to have another prompt for that. So you can see here the prompt has been generated for us. So these are the prompts we're going to use to generate our images. So now let's go ahead and then generate our first image, and let's see how interesting this is going to be. So we're going to copy this first part, this first prompt. So I'm going to copy it from here up to this side. So I'll copy this prompt and then we go to Hello AI. So this is the AI tool we're going to use to generate. So this AI tool is very, very interesting. So what we can do here is that if I go to this option here, now there's a free version that you can use, and then you're going to get some bonus credit for daily login, and then also you have about 3 tags in a queue. But if you don't mind, also you can subscribe. I can tell you that this particular AI is worth it. You need to invest in order to create this, but if you want to use a free version, it's quite going to be slow, but you can still get your result. But if you really want to achieve a lot, you can see you can generate 1,000, you have 1,000 created monthly, and then there are some bonuses for that as well. So you can have about 5 tags in the queue. So you can choose to go with this due to your budget. You can start with this. So let's go ahead and go to create. There are 2 things over here that we can do. We can actually go to image to video generator. If you have your image already generated, you want to transform that image into videos, then you can use this option, that's image to video. But if you have text, you want to use text, you transform your text or your prompt, which we're going to do prompt into videos, then we're going to use this option. So I copy my first prompt here. So we only need to go down here and click on generate, and let's see the results. This is going to take some time to process, and let's see how our first video is going to look like. Our first video is ready, and let's check this out. You can see how this video is looking very professional and then very amazing. So this is our first video. What we need to do now is to download this. After downloading this, let's go back, and then we're going to copy the next prompt. So this is the next prompt. I'm just going to copy this and go back to my AI and paste this right here. Go to generate. So for the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward the rest, and then when I'm done, we'll move to how to generate our own music. So let me fast forward this, and then we'll be back to continue. You can see we have our videos set now. Everything is in form, and the videos are of high quality. So all we need now is to download this video, which I've already done. You can just hover your mouse here and click and download the video. Once this is done, our next step is basically to generate our music for our video. We're going to use another tool called Suno AI, and this is amazing. You can create your own music. So you can see here I've created some nice music over here, and then the good news is that you can even create music as long as 4 minutes. And then for their package, you can actually get 250 credits just by inviting your friends. So here for the basic plan, which is 0, you don't need to pay any amount. You can get 50 credits and you renew daily. So that means you can generate about 10 songs per day. And if you want to get more of this, just go ahead and click on invite. And you can see here, when you invite somebody, when the person sign up and create 10 videos, you should be able to get 250 credit for free. So just go ahead and start using Suno AI to create your own music. So let's see what is going to happen when we create our music. We'll test it and see how amazing this is going to look like. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. Remember everything we had here. We got the lyrics as well as the prompt for generating our videos. The first part, you can see this is the lyric for this one. So all I need to do is to copy this lyric. And then when I come to Suno AI, just go ahead and paste this right here. It can take just about 200 words, so you can't paste more than that. And then I'll go ahead and click on create. You can see it's going to generate for every generation. For every generation, you're going to get 2 music. So let's see how this one is going to look like. So our music is ready. We are going to test this and see. So I'm going to play this. A is for alligator, grinning white and green. B is for the bouncy bear, hopping on the scene. C is for the clever cat, soaking up the rays. D is for the dancing dog. So this is basically how it's going to be. We can generate as many as we want, as much as long as you have credit, you can keep generating. So I'm just going to go ahead and then download this. So you can get both the video and then the audio form of this. We only need the audio because we already generated our videos. So I'm going to download the audio. Go ahead and then download the audio form. This is downloaded. So you realize that we have the chorus as well. So the chorus is here. So we can copy this one as well. Then go to Suno AI. Let's go back to create. And then we can paste this here as well. Remember, anytime you generate a video, you're going to have two forms, and you can pick any of them that you want. The second one is quite long. The first one is a bit shorter, so you can pick any that you want. So our second music is ready. Let's play this and see. So now that we have this, let's download it. Okay, now that we have our music ready, we have our videos also ready, it's now time to bring everything to life. So we need a video editing software to combine this together. And I would recommend using CapCut. CapCut is free, you can easily do that. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, but for the sake of this video, let me use a free tool, that's the CapCut. So we're going to bring everything here. So we're going to copy everything and drag it to CapCut. So what we're going to do next is to bring our videos and audio to the timeline. So I'm just going to drag them in that order. So all you can do is make sure you know the arrangement of your video. So this is mostly about the alphabet. So the alphabet in the S. So I'll decide to, I'll bring this one first actually, then there's some other parts here you can just arrange them. So make sure you know the order of the arrangement of your video, and then just make sure you place them in that order. And that is it. You can create as many as you want. The length really doesn't matter. You can take your time and create longer videos. So this is basically the concept. Basically the concept you can use to create highly animated kids video, like the one we saw on CocoMelon. So we can go ahead and add the audio. So the audio here, we can just place it here. Make sure you resize the audio to fit to the length of your video. So we're actually going to do that. Make sure this is fit to the length of the video. If you want to create a longer video, then you know what to do. So this is basically how you're going to do it. So now that we have everything here, this is what we have.
Cool and green, B's for the buzzing little bee, C's for the cat so sleek and sweet, D's for the dog tapping his feet. It's the alphabet, can sing with me from A.
Basically, this is just a concept you can use to create this amazing kids video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. I come your way again. Bye bye.